All right, tonight I am making a baked salmon. So I have this pretty large piece of salmon. It's wild sockeye salmon. I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil on top, and I'm going to season it with salt and pepper, cardamom, which kind of has like a lemony flavor, and garlic powder, and then some fresh thyme. And then I'm just going to thinly slice a tomato and lemon to place on top. And then I'm going to bake it in the oven at 400 degrees until the top looks cooked through, so it gets kind of like a light pinkish color. So I'm going to get this seasoned up, and I will show you what it looks like before I put it in the oven. For thyme, if you just take the sprig where the green is facing up, and you just take your two pointer fingers and just very easily push down, you'll just get all the leaves off. It's really easy. I'm just gonna put that right on top of the salmon, which is over here. You probably can't see it in the camera, but I'll show you once I have it all put together. All right, there's the salmon. So I just put the fresh thyme on top, drizzled it with olive oil, and then I just placed slices of lemon and tomato. And then I just put a tiny bit more salt on top of the tomatoes and lemon. And all I'm gonna do is put it in the oven, 400 degrees, until the top is about like a light pink color and it's cooked through. And once it's done, I'll pull it out and show you what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna take my salmon out. It has been in the oven for about 15 minutes. Look at how delicious that looks. Sprinkle some parsley on top, and it is ready to go.